Hello, my name is Jonathan, and I'm a member of the script writing team at Gemiini. In this video, I'll be talking about how to use Gemiini's Sequential Tasks tool. Sequencing is all about arranging information, objects, or actions into a particular serial order. Early on, we learn sequencing when we learn to speak. Language is sounds and words produced in a specific order to achieve certain results. Understanding how to sequence language leads to the development of more advanced sequencing skills, like performing actions in a certain order to complete tasks. We use these skills in every part of our lives. Getting dressed, reading, telling stories, doing math, or finishing household chores all involve sequencing skills. Sequencing plays a big role in how well students are able to communicate thoughts and feelings, understand spoken language, follow directions, participate in academics, and independently perform activities of daily living. Many individuals with sequencing issues have trouble with language from a young age. They might use incorrect verb tenses well after an age when you'd expect them to speak correctly, or they might scramble the order of words in longer sentences. These early language issues can cause problems with sequencing later in life, but they're not the only source of problems. Deficits in working memory and attention can also be related to sequencing ability. Improvement in these areas supports the development of stronger sequencing skills. With Gemiini's Sequential Tasks tool, you can create activities for your students to practice sequencing skills on their own. The Sequential Tasks tool helps students learn the individual components of tasks or chores, and provides an interface through which they can practice sequencing by putting steps into the correct order. In this tool, students watch a short video, memorize the order of operations in the video, and then interact with a puzzle to order each action in the sequence. Follow these steps to set up a Sequential Tasks activity. Log in to your managing account. Select the Tools navigation button. Select Sequential Tasks on the Tools page. Set the type of task to Sequential Tasks to use one of our pre-made task videos, or use Select a Custom Task to create your own sequence from a custom assignment you have saved in your videos. If you select Sequential Tasks, use the video menu to select which task. If you choose Select a Custom Task, you will be prompted to select one of your custom videos from the modal that appears on the screen. Once you have chosen your task, a list of the steps involved in the activity displays. If you've selected a custom task, the list of steps will be created from the clips in your video. You can customize tasks by rearranging the order of steps, or by removing steps from the activity that you're not currently teaching. Set the length of puzzle units to the number of steps you would like to practice. Starting from the beginning of the task, the student will only see and be quizzed on this number of steps. Toggle automatic difficulty advancement to determine whether the length of the puzzle will automatically increase or decrease as the student gives right or wrong answers. Turning this on shows the length of puzzle goal menu. This number determines how many steps your student must order correctly to successfully complete the activity. Toggle play sound when successful to enable or disable the sound effect after a correct answer. Turn this off for students with sensory issues who might be frightened or overstimulated by the sound. Once you've set up an activity, you can preview it or assign it directly to a student by selecting the Assign button. Choose who you would like to assign the activity to, and select Send Assignment. It will appear on that student's assignments page. Select Play to start the activity. When it begins, a short video will play showing the initial steps in the task I have chosen. After the video is over, I am shown an assortment of images that represent each step in the task. I should select each picture in the order each step was shown. Then, I find out if I was correct. If I don't meet my goal, I'll be given an option to try again. Select Finish to quit the activity. Improving sequential processing promotes independence and academic growth and strengthens working memory, language skills, and attention. With our Sequential Tasks tool, you can teach and test sequences for everything from getting ready for school to vocational training. Log into Gemiini and set up an activity for your students today.